Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku, a regular Sudoku, in today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, Friday, January the 15th, 2021. Almost weekend. One Sudoku is left, a regular Sudoku. By the way, there is also in this newspaper extra Sudokus in the additional. 8 extra Sudokus, I believe. But first, I will solve this second regular Sudoku, and this will be number 2167. And before I start, I always count the pre-printed digits. Let me do this. 4 plus 2, 6, 7. Plus 2 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 4 is equal to 16, plus 3 is 19, plus 5 is equal to 24, 24 plus 2 will be 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. So let's get started. In this row we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7s in those 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for a 7 should be there. Then 4 in this row, 4 in a row above. So in that row, the only place for a 4 should be here. And we have a pair here. 6 and an 8 in this row. Oh, no, not a pair, not a pair. No. No, it's not a pair. I saw this 8 in the wrong row. Anyway, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 5, and the 6. 1, 5, 6, and I see here 5 and a 1 there. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this directly. 1 box left in this row for the number 6. Alright, 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 2 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 7. How about the number? The number. Let me see. 2. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. You see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 2, 4. How about the number 7, 8? Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 9. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this can't be 5 anymore. This box should be the 5, and this should be a 1. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have the 1 and the 4 in this column, so no 1 and the 4 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So the other 3 numbers should be the numbers 2, the 5, and the 2, 5, and the 3. 2, 5, and the 3. 2, 5, and the 3. Alright. So we have a 3 in one of those 3 boxes in this column, and we have a 3 in that column. So the middle column, the only 3 boxes left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 could be here, could be there. Same with 6. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a pair, 6 and a 3. So these 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 4. Alright, 1 and the 4. So the 8, yes, 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only place for the 8 should be there. 5, 5, yes. 3, 3. 4. I'm scanning. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only place for the 5 should be there. So now we have the 1 and the 4 as a pair. Let me mark those because that's the other pair. The first pair was the 6 and the 3 in this big square. Okay, 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Alright. Let me see. Let me see. 7, 9, 1, 7 and 2. 7 and 2, 9, 8, and Alright. 9, 8, 9. Yes, 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about the numbers 2, 7 and then 7 and the 4. 2, 7, 4. No. Yes, in this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these two boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those two boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. That means that we have a 4 in one of those two boxes. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 1 and this should be a 4. And one box left in this column should be for the number 1, and one box left in this column should be for the 4, because those two should be the 6 and the 3. All right, 6, 1 and a 4. Okay, so 4 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these two boxes. Here 1, no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for the 1 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the number 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then how about 4, 2, 7? Need a 7, yes. All right, this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 8. We have a 7 and an 8 in this row. So no 7 and an 8 in those two boxes. The 7 and 8 goes those boxes, in those two boxes. So what are the other pair in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6? 3 and 6, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there and a 6 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. No, we have a 4 here. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. And the other pair in this big square, the 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for the number 4. We have a pair here, 2 and a 7. So this should be a 4. So we have a 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 2 goes there. Now we have a 7 here. So this can be 7 anymore. This should be a 2. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 1 box left in the first column for the number 2. And 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. Alright. 2 numbers left in the first row for the number 6 and 3. 6 and 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And 3 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1 and 7. 1 and 7. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be an 8. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9, we have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 8. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. 9 and 6, 9 and 6. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright, is it a really heavy Sudoku? I do not know, but I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great day. We will meet again with the extra Sudokus in the additional. See you later. Bye bye for now.